Now we will consider some examples for POS expressions. How to reduce POS expressions using K-map. Now we shall consider an example for two variables. The question will be like this: reduce using K-map the following expression. F is equal to pi of 0, 1, 3. That is a very simple expression. Canonical POS expression, because pi is the symbol. The meaning is it is m0 dot m1 dot m3. That is the expression, and corresponding max terms you can write here, m2. Now identify how many variables are there. So since m3 is found as the last max term, there are only two variables. So 4 max terms till m3 only. So two variable expression it is. It is having, so it is f of x comma y. This two variable expression. So write a format for two variables. X and y. Here you should write x and x bar in this case, because it is a format of POS, y and y bar. So 0, 1, 2 and 3, numbering the boxes is same. Then after writing the format K-map for POS, then map it, the terms m0, m1 and m3. Now when you enter, you must enter 0 to the max term here. Whereas in the case of SOP you have entered 1, here you must enter 0 to the respective boxes. 0 box, enter 0. 1, enter 0. Box number 3, enter 0. The remaining box you must enter 1. Here remaining box is enter 1. That you are not considering for cancellation or grouping. Now grouping of this one is similar to what you have done for SOP. Correct? Now adjacent zeros you must consider. Adjacent zeros. Remember, don't confuse adjacent zeros, because you are having max terms into these boxes. Now there are 3 adjacent zeros. You consider this one as one pair and this one as another pair. So only possibility is 2 pairs here. So pair 1, right? Next groups. Pair 1. It is m0 and m1. m0 and m1. That is the pair. So if you write the corresponding terms for this, x, y and y bar. X, y and y bar. X, y and y bar for this. So cancellation, y and y bar. So this will cancel. So what is left out is only x. So from the pair, one variable is cancelled, one remains. X is the resultant term from the pair 1. Next, pair 2. This is m1 and m3. m1 and m3. So that is equal to m1 and m3. So corresponding to x and x bar and y bar. X bar and y bar. So for this x and y bar. For this one also you can write x bar and y bar. So in this way also you can write either this way or I write for this 0 x and y bar. X and y bar. For this 0 x bar and y bar. X bar and y bar. Correct? So here x and x bar will cancel. X and x bar will cancel. Y bar and y repeated. Y bar only once. You can write this y bar. So therefore, both the pairs we have reduced. Therefore, simplified expression f is equal to x plus y bar. Now we can figure it is x plus y bar, because you are having the max term form, right? X dot, very sorry, right? Because we are writing P, there is a chance of confusion like this, right? Since you are writing POS form, So this dot y bar, this is a single term you are getting. So this multiply with the remaining term. Very careful. There is a chance of making a mistake. So this is the POS form. This is single term you are getting x dot y bar. So this is the simplified POS expression. Now let us take a 3 variable expression. Second example. Simplify using K-map. F is equal to pi of 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7. Now look at this. M7 is the last max term, so it is a 3 variable expression, right? Yes. So either this can be given as it is M0 dot M1 dot M3 dot M4 dot M5 dot M7. It's the same issue. If you are not using pi, the max term form it is. Now draw the 3 variable K-map format. Suppose x here, x, y and z here. X and x bar, carefully write first x here, then x bar. Here y plus z, y plus z bar. See, in case it is SOP, you would have written y bar z bar, y bar z. So it is y plus z bar. Here y bar plus z bar and y bar plus z. Carefully you write the column headings because it is a max term plus. Next box number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here and 7 here. Then map the expression. 0, enter 0. 1, enter 0. 4, box number, 3, enter 0. Box number 4, here, enter 0. Box number 5, max term 5, M5 and M7, here. 2 and 6 are not there, enter 1. 2 and 6 are not there, enter 2 and 6, 1 each. So you have to encircle the adjacent zeros here, POS, that you remember. So any chance of a quad? Yes, look at that. There are 2 quads possible. One is this one and another one is this. Look at this, adjacent 4 for these 2. Don't mark this one as simply pair because there are adjacent zeros here for these 2 zeros. So you can consider this one as another quad. This one. Correct? Yes. There is no chance of any octet in this case. Only 2 quads possible. Now you write quad 1. Which is first one. 0, 1, 4 and 5. M0, M1, M4 and M5. So if you write the terms for this square, x, x bar, x, x bar and these two, y, z, y, z, y, z bar, y, z bar. You can write as it is or you can write plus also, no problem. Cancel x with x bar, z with z bar, only left out is y. Since quad reduces 2 variables, this is a 3 variable expression. So one is left out, which is y. So from first quad you will be getting y as the remainder. So second quad 2. Quad 2 is this one. M1, 3, 5 and 7. M1, M3, M5 and M7. Write this, so x, x bar again, x, x bar corresponding to this, y, z bar, y, z bar, y bar, z bar, y bar, z bar. So y bar and y will cancel, x and x bar will cancel. What is left out is z bar. Z bar is left out from the quad. So then everything, even if you mark this one as a pair, this one as a pair, all these are redundant pairs. No need to mark. Redundant pairs, if you can mention that, but write it as redundant pairs and discard them. No need to write so. So therefore, simplified expression. Therefore, simplified expression is F is equal to. So now look at that. Each is y and dot and z bar. Correct? Y dot z bar. So this is the simplified expression. Because each term got from every group, you must multiply to get the final. Whereas in the case of SOP, you are adding the terms. Correct? You are adding the terms. This y plus z bar in the case of SOP. This is a product term available, that's a product. You add those things. Whereas here you should multiply because POS. So this is the simplified expression. Now let us take a 4 variable expression. Five, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 14 and 15. So last term is M15, so it is a 4 variable expression. Draw the 4 variable format of the K-map. Number the boxes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 here. So this is A and B, C and D. This is A plus B, A plus B bar, A bar plus B bar, A bar plus B. It is C plus D, C plus D bar, C bar plus D bar, C bar plus D. So here, then map it. Box number 1, max term 1 here. Enter 0. You are entering 0. Don't make any mistake. 3, 0. 4, 0. 5, 0. 7, 0. 9, 0. 10, 0. 11, 0. 14 and 15. 14 and 15 zeros. And remaining all ones. 1 here, 1 there, 1 here, 1 and 1. So the mapping of the K-map is done. You have entered all zeros into the respective max term boxes. Next, grouping. Identify an octet of adjacent zeros. No chance. Octet is not available. Here. No adjacent 8 ones, 8 zeros. Quad, yes, there is one quad possible. Here is one quad possible. There is one quad possible, correct? So if you identify. Now, one thing I should tell you. When you group them into octets or quads or pairs, there should be minimum number of groups, correct? Suppose you have identified this one as this one quad, here is one quad, there is one quad, and there is another quad possible like this. First I will identify, see, this one as one quad. This is another quad, and this is another quad. Now if you think of, for example, first you identify this one as one quad, right? This one. And this one as another quad. This one as another quad. Then for this 0, you must take another quad like this, correct? Map rolling, this one. You will get 3 quads. You will get 3 quads. So 1 quad, 2 quad, and for the sake of this 0, 3 quad. Now instead of this one, if you mark this one first as one quad, this one as one quad, then this one as another quad, this one as another quad, And once again for this one, there will be 4 quads. There will be 4 quads. You try another combination. First marking this quad, the vertical quad first, then considering other quads. This one, and for the sake of this, again, there will be 4 quads. So which is not the case. So here, if you mark first as this quad and this quad, and then for the sake of this as map rolling, these two, then there will be only 3 quads. Correct? I hope you understood this. 4 quads and 3 quads. 2 possibilities are there for this K-map. So you should consider minimum number of groups. So this is possible with only 3 quads. Remember. So minimum number of groups you must consider. So first I will write quad 1, which is, so first take this one, M1, 3, 5 and 1, 3, 5 and 7, quad 1. So simplify, it will be A, B bar, A, B bar, C, D bar, C bar, D bar, C, D bar, C bar, D bar. So this quad. So repeatedly you need not write because they will cancel it. So here B and B bar will cancel, C bar and C will cancel. What is left out is A and B bar. This A plus B bar. Now look at this. The term is A plus D bar. So what is left? A and D bar. You must add it because what you are getting is a max term. Remember, right? Plus. In the case of SOP, we have written A dot B bar for the same thing. Here A plus B bar. A plus B bar. That is the term out of this. Next, write quad 2. Quad 2 is this one. 15, 14, 11 and 10. You can write 10, 11, 14 and 15. You can write in sequence, no problem. This quad. So write A bar, B bar, A bar, B. A bar, B bar, A bar, B. This. Next, C bar, D bar, C bar, D. C bar, D bar, C bar, D. Cancel. C, D and D bar. Correct? A bar, B and B bar. So A bar and C bar. A bar plus C bar. So that is the term available from the second quad. The third quad is map rolling. Quad 3 is map rolling. 1, 3, 9 and 11. 1, 3, 9 and 11. It is map rolling. Rolling the map. These two and these two. So it is these two. A, B, A bar, B. A, B, A bar, B. A, B. So this one. A, B, A bar, B. This one. And this two. C, D bar, C bar, D bar. C, D bar, C bar, D bar. So A bar and A will cancel. C bar and C will cancel. What is left is B and D bar. So it is B plus D bar. That is the term available out of the third quad. So only 3 quads possible. No pair because no 0 is left out. No, there is 1 0 left out. Yes, look at that. Observe properly. There is 1 0 left. So any quad is possible. No chance. So this one you can pair with this. Correct? Only 1 0 left out here. This 0. Quad is not possible. So pair 1. Pair 1. It is M4 and M5. 4 and 5. So from pair 1 you have A B bar and C D bar. This pair. Right. A B bar. A B bar. C D bar for the columns. C D bar. That's one. These two pairs. A B bar, C D bar. So B and D bar will cancel. So what remains is A plus B bar plus C. We can put it is A plus B bar plus C. A plus B bar plus C. So that is the term available from the pair. Therefore, the simplified expression is simplified expression is equal to, now multiply all the terms got by individual groups. That is A plus B bar into A bar plus C bar into B plus B bar into A plus B bar plus C. So that is the final simplified expression for the given POS expression. This is the simplified expression using the K-map. Hope you have understood this.